Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So you can say 18. That is, I've said that 2 minus 20. So you can also say èjìdínlógún. 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 Méjìdínlógún. Ìkejìdínlógún. Ìkejìdínlógún. 19. 19. Ọ̀kàndínlógún. 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 You can say ìkọkàndínlógún. Ìkọkàndínlógún. So you can say mọ́kàndínlógún, which is ọ̀kàndínlógún. Now we have 20, ogún, and I told you in the multiplication you can say 20 times 1. So we want to read it together before I rub it now. 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá, 11 mọ́kànlá, 12 èjìlá, 13 ẹ̀tàlá, 14 ẹ̀rìnlá, 15 àrúndínlógún, 16 ẹ̀rìndínlógún, 17 ẹ̀tàdínlógún, 18 èjìdínlógún, 19 ọ̀kàndínlógún, 20 ogún. So that is for 1 to 20. That is from 1 to 20. So we now go further with 21. But so far you know 20. You have read. You know 1 to 9. So the remaining one are not difficult again. So we can just say this is 1 to 20 now. So let's say 21 to 30. 21 to 30. 21 to 20. So we now say this is 20 plus 1. You could remember that I've said plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So if this one is 20 plus 1, so like before the one I've explained, I've said that 1 you count from the back to the front. So this one is 21 now. It will now be 1, which is 1. Ole, if you can remember, ole, and this one, ogún. So I don't want to draw again, since I'll be drawing in it. So that is how we are going to be reading it now. So this one is 21. That is, we had 1 plus 20. It gives us 21. That one is a plus 1. So I will not be drawing the figure, the diagram now. So this one is 21. 20 plus 2 is will give us 22. 20 plus 3 is will give us 23. 20 plus 4 is will give us 24. Now look at it, yo. We call this one ogun plus ọ̀kan. Ogun plus ọ̀kan. Ogun ó lé ọ̀kan. It will now be ọ̀kànlélógún. Ọ̀kànlélógún. So now I told you that it's from the back. Ọ̀kànlélógún. Shey you see it now, it will now be ọ̀kan. That is ọ̀kan. This one ọ̀kan ó lé. That is ọ̀kànlélógún. And this is lógún. You see it now from the back. Ọ̀kànlélógún. Ọ̀kànlélógún now become ọ̀kànlélógún. We call it 21. So 22 now also we now be we you read it from the back also. This is 2, which is méjì. You can say méjì. Ó lé 20, which is ogún. Ogún. So it now give us ogún. You see it now. Èjì. Méjì. Ó lé ogún. Méjì. Ó lé ogún, which is 22. Which is ogún. When we say ogún ó lé méjì. So but when we are reading it in Yoruba, we say from the back. That is èjìlélógún. Èjìlélógún. You see it now. Èjìlélógún, méjìlélógún, ìkejìlélógún. So this one also you read it from the back also. 3, which is mẹ́ta. Ẹ̀tàlélógún. You can say ẹ̀tàlélógún. Ẹ̀tàlélógún. You see it now. Mẹ́ta ó lé ní ogún. Mẹ́ta ó lé ní ogún. So 24 also we now give us mẹ́rin lé. You know I didn't put O again because it's still the same thing. So it will now be mẹ́rìnlélógún. 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 This 4. Lélógún. Mẹ́rìnlélógún. You can see now. So we are going for minus now, starting from 25. That is 25 now. We now start from. We want to be removing it now. 25 will now be what? We'll be removing. So we are going next for 30 now. The next whole number will now be 30, which is 30. What do we call 30 in Yoruba? We say ọgbọ̀n. 30. I want to do it like before, the one I taught you before I started that one, 20, number 20. So we call this one ọgbọ̀n. Ọgbọ̀n. 30 ọgbọ̀n. 30 ọgbọ̀n. So we now remove 5. This 5. We want to remove it now. Minus it. We want to minus it from 30. How do we minus it now? That is márùn-ún dín ní 30 dín ní 30, which is ọgbọ̀n. I said ọgbọ̀n. Radio. Ọgbọ̀n. Radio. Ọgbọ̀n. Ọgbọ̀n. Radio. Ọgbọ̀n. So you can see it now. So this is 21. Okay, 20 ogún. 21 ogún lé. So we didn't say ogún ó lé. So we say, you know, I told you that it's from the back. So that is why, you know, I didn't put this one here. I said ogun ole eyokan. So but in Yoruba, you read it from the back. So we say ọ̀kànlélógún. So that is 21, ọ̀kànlélógún, 22, èjìlélógún, 23, ẹ̀tàlélógún, 24, ẹ̀rìnlélógún. So you can also say 21, mọ́kànlélógún, 22, méjìlélógún, ìkẹtàlélógún. You can say ìkejìlélógún, 23. You can say ìkẹtàlélógún, ẹ̀ẹ́tàlélógún, ìkẹtàlélógún, mẹ́tàlélógún, 24. You can say mẹ́rìnlélógún, ìkẹrìnlélógún, ẹ̀ẹ́rìnlélógún. So that is it. So we are now going for 25 now. But before 25, I've taught you that you must know 30. How do we call 30? Ọgbọ̀n. Ọgbọ̀n. 2 syllables. Ọgbọ̀n. Huh? So you can remember this one. Huh? Huh? Ọgbọ̀n. Huh? And this is ọ. In our consonants, B. 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 Ọgbọ̀n. B. Ọgbọ̀n. So I will rub it now to start from 25.